Hello kids, good morning. How are you? I hope you're doing good. On Monday, we worked on actions. Do you remember that we had actions such as jump, okay? Jump, jump, jump. Or write. This was to write, okay? My name is Ricky. This is to write, okay? Or we had the action walk. So Fede is walking, okay. Or we had the action to watch the TV. For example, I've got here my TV, okay, and Fede is watching the TV. Okay. Or there were two more actions such as read. This is the book, and Fede likes to read this book. Okay. It is my land, my home, my father's. Okay. And finally, we had another action which was to draw. All right. This is to draw. Okay. So these were affirmative actions. And if you remember, with three subjects to speak about he, a boy, she, a girl, or it, an animal or a thing, such as a monster, okay, we had to add s or es to the verb. So he jumps, she reads, it walks. Yes? Okay. This was when the actions were affirmative. But what if the actions are negative? To talk about negative actions, I'm going to show you two key words. We're going to make negative actions with these words: don't and doesn't. Okay? It is very important to know when to use don't and when to use doesn't. They mean the same, and they turn actions from positive into negative actions. Okay? Things you don't do or somebody else doesn't do. Okay? So now I want you to have a look at these two screens. Okay? If you have a look at these boards, I've got the affirmative action here, affirmatives, and the negative actions here. Okay? So they look very similar. So if I want to make it affirmative, I say I jump. If I want to make it negative, I use don't and I say I don't jump. You see it here? Okay, I jump or I don't jump. Yes? So if we are talking about you, if you want to make it affirmative, you say you jump. Okay? But if you want to make it negative, we must use don't. And we say you don't jump. Do you see? Okay, excellent. So with the affirmatives, when we spoke about he or she or it, you remember we had to add the letter S to the action. Yes? In negative, we don't add S to the action. The action stays the same. You see? I don't jump, you don't jump. And when we use he, she, or it, jump doesn't change. Do you see? Jump, 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 jump. But there is one thing that changes. We don't use don't anymore. We must use doesn't with the subjects he, she, and it. So if you have a look here, we say, I don't jump, you don't jump, he doesn't jump, and she doesn't jump. Okay, so in these cases, in the negatives, the verb jump, 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 jump stays the same with all the subjects. But there is one thing that changes with he and she, and it's don't. Okay, here we say I don't jump, you don't jump. And with the third person of singular, when we speak about one boy, one girl, one animal, or one thing which is not with us, which is not here, okay, we say doesn't. He doesn't jump, she doesn't jump. And remember, the verb stays the same. The only thing that changes is the special words. The special words to make negative sentences are don't and doesn't. And they mean exactly the same, but the difference is that when we use he or she, we say doesn't. And when we say I, you, we, or they, the verb we use is don't. Okay? So, with all this information, I want you to have a look at the worksheet you are going to work on. Okay? If we come here, yes, this is the worksheet you must do, and it says present simple, negative. Do you see here we've got she, he, and it on one flower, and on the other flower we've got we, you, I, and they. With these four, you, we, I, and they, we use don't, and on this other flower with he, she, or it, we use doesn't. If you see the example, it says here, you don't like, but with he, we say he doesn't like. So now, on the exercise, it says, complete these sentences using don't or doesn't. Remember that with these subjects, we use doesn't, and with these other subjects, we use don't. Okay, so you only have to pay attention to who makes the action. Okay, remember this dog is like if we say it. All right, yes, okay. I hope you understand the exercise and you send it to me correctly, or you do it on live worksheets. Okay, bye bye kids, see you soon. Bye bye.